guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Oblong Polka Dots and my name is Kerr, and on this channel we talk about makeup, skincare, and beauty. So, if that's something you're into, you've come to the right place. Hola a todos y bienvenidos a mi canal Oblong Polka Dots. Me llamo Kerr y en este canal hablamos de maquillaje, cuidado de piel y belleza. Entonces, si eso es algo que te gusta, has venido al lugar correcto. You guys, I have not seen you for months. And I am not guaranteeing that I will be filming a video anytime soon past today, but we are here today hanging out together. So I figured let's get these empties out of the way. I have a ton of empties here. Hold on. Gotta fix my mic. 1 minute. Sorry guys. Sorry. I don't know how this got stuck in here. Oh no. Okay, there we go. All right, we're good. I haven't filmed in a while. Okay, so I have a box with a load of empties in it. I know there's a lot here, but it's because I haven't seen you guys for a while. And admittedly, I have thrown some things away. So the box is not really as full as it could have been because it's a lot of the stuff that you've already seen me use before. So I didn't think that you really wanted to see me use it again. If you do, let me know in the comments. All right. As usual, this is going to be completely random. I'm just going to pluck things from the box and we're going to talk about it. Okay. All right. First and foremost here, I have the Theory ocean-friendly omega algae with omega-3 supports brain, eye, heart health soft gels. So this is a fish oil supplement and I took the whole thing. You're supposed to take 2 a day, which I did for, I think, there's 120 soft gels. So what is that? Like 4 months, I think. Yeah. And I didn't really see a difference. I'm not sure if I was supposed to see a difference, like to support my brain and eye health, like if I could have a noticeable difference. But in this case, I didn't really notice a difference. They weren't bad. I mean, they digest easily. They don't smell fishy or anything like that. So if you're looking for a good fish oil supplement, you might want to check this out. I just didn't really see any difference. So yeah, I guess that's kind of a neutral, right? All right, moving on. This is the brand Domina's and it's the dark spot treatment. Looks like this. And let's see, is this the stuff that I think this is, yeah, this is the stuff that totally broke me out. So I began to use it. I think I used it for maybe a couple of weeks before I realized that it was breaking me out. So I had to discontinue use. It was just, yeah, this is definitely not a product for me. I don't know what's in it. I have no idea what's in it that made me break out. I just know that I can't use this. So that was a no. We have here the Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nail Soft Gels. It's the extra strength with 5,000 micrograms of biotin. This bottle contained 250 liquid soft gels. I think this lasted me about, oh my gosh, how long? Like about 6 months, something like that. I recommend this supplement. I think it's really good. I think it does exactly what it says it's going to do. If you don't want to take this because you're already taking a multivitamin though, what you can do is look for like a biotin that's by itself, that's 5,000 micrograms, and then that might be enough, or yeah, micrograms. But I do recommend these and I do buy mine at Costco. Full disclosure, I work for Costco. I have for 25 years. They are not sponsoring this video. They did not ask me to talk about anything. They are not affiliated with this video. This is my video. These are my opinions and my experience. Just thought I'd let you know. Love this stuff. Definitely recommend it. We also have here, I have bought the big bottle of the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. I really like this cleansing water a lot. I think it's an excellent alternative to the what's the other one called? The Bioderma, I think is what it's called. This stuff, I really like it. It does what it says it's going to do. It does not irritate my skin or my eyes. And like I said, I've had the big bottle of this. This is just like the little travel size and I wanted to finish it up. So yes, I recommend this. We have here a empty bottle of Victoria's Secret Amber Romance. This has been one of my favorite lotions from Victoria's Secret forever. I think they still sell it, but it probably looks different maybe, or maybe this is the new packaging. and I'm thinking of the old packaging. Either way, it's one of my favorite scents. It definitely is ambery, super duper powdery. So if you want something that's warm, caramelly, ambery, has a lotion and feels good and dries quickly, I recommend this one. I love it. It smells so good. And there's a compatible spray that goes with it, like a body spray, which I don't think I'm out of that one yet, and that's why that is not in this Empties video. Sticking with the lotions and creams, this one's from Bath & Body Works. It's Champagne Toast, and it's one of my favorite fragrances that they have. I believe this is the new packaging for Champagne Toast, if I'm not mistaken. I really like this a lot, and I like the body spray as well, and I do recommend it. Going back to Victoria's Secret, we have the Pineapple Cove fragrance lotion. I like the smell of pineapples, and I think this mixes really well with some of my other tropical smelling fragrances. So yes, I use this entire thing. I think I have one more bottle of this left. I bought like 4 or 5 of them at the same time, or one more tube. I love this stuff. I think it smells really, really good, and it mixes well with vanilla. It mixes well with any kind of lemon. So yes, it's a yes for me. Definitely recommend. And then we also have here from Versed, it's the Buff It Out AHA Exfoliating Body Scrub, which I also love a lot. I think I bought about, about 5 of these. I'm pretty sure 5 or 6 of these because that's all they had on the shelf at the Target that I shop at. So yeah, yes, I love this stuff. It really works well. I only use it maybe about once a week for exfoliating, but it just leaves my skin feeling so good and so soft. And then I put like all my lotions and potions and creams on top of it, and it just feels amazing. I highly recommend this scrub. I love it so much. It's got a really fine grit, and yeah, I love the way it makes my skin feel. I will continue to purchase. Speaking of things I love how they make my skin feel, this is the Tree Hut Tropic Glow Moisturizing Shave Gel. This is my favorite shave gel, you guys, period. It is so, 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 so good. I don't think that I buy less than like 3 or 4 of these at a time, and then I just keep them stashed until I use them all up. This is fantastic. I don't know what else to say. It's a fabulous shave gel. I don't really have to shave nearly like I used to at all because I have laser hair removal, so most of the hair is gone. But I still love this, and I recommend it, and I would definitely repurchase. And then for a more grown-up item, we have the Joe Refresh Foaming Toy Cleaner. So if you have any toys at home that need to be cleaned, grown-up toys, then this is a really fantastic cleaner. It is, I believe, hypoallergenic, and it is fragrance-free, and it has a few certifications on it. It's alcohol-free, sulfate-free, and paraben-free. Fantastic cleaner. We have here the Wella Envigo Brilliance with Lime Caviar Normal Color Protection Shampoo. I love this so much that I went out and bought 2 more of the giant Wella shampoo and conditioners. It's the hydrating line, and I love that too. So far so good. Wella's really winning for me. I don't know. This is a brand I hadn't really considered previously, and now I'm hooked. So yes, I am enjoying Wella. These are products I definitely will continue to purchase. Okay, so we also have here, oh so sad, it's the moisturizing body wash from Bath & Body Works and Chasing Fireflies. Chasing Fireflies has been discontinued. Gee, what a surprise. Bath & Body Works, get your shit together. You want to always make something that people love, and then you want to discontinue it. And I think that's awful. I love this so much. I had ended up getting the body wash, a couple lotions, body spray, and at this point I think I'm down to this much of the body lotion, and I think I still have about an almost full bottle of the body spray, and that's it. So once it's gone, it's gone. And I'm not going to save it. I'm using it. Like, I'm just going to use it up and be done with it, because I learned my lesson with the bergamot and coriander, which is my favorite scent that ever came out of Bath & Body Works years ago. And they had discontinued it, and I tried to like savor it for as long as I could, and one of the lotions went bad, so I couldn't use it. So now I just use them all up. I'll find another scent. I'll find something else that I love, but that Chasing Fireflies, y'all, that's what's up. This is Mary and May It's the Hotunia Cordata and Tea Tree Cleansing Foam. I like this cleansing foam. I think it did really well with my skin. I was a little bit concerned at first because when I was using it, initially it felt like it was kind of drying my skin out, but then I realized it wasn't. It was fine. It was just really getting clean. So I would definitely repurchase this, but because I go through so many different types of cleansers, I probably wouldn't repurchase this anytime soon. But if I didn't have any, I would buy a couple of these so I had a backup. Love it. Some of you may know that I'm on a journey to find like the perfect hair mask. So I've been going through hair masks, and so far of the ones that I've tried, and I've tried a ton of them, I think the Curlsmith Hydro Cream Soothing Mask has been my favorite. Absolutely my favorite. There is something about this particular product that works really, really well with my hair. Does not dry it out. It does leave it feeling more conditioned. It feels more moisturized, and it is a definite repurchase for me. So when I'm done with my hair mask journey and I found a couple few that I really enjoy, this is going to be a repurchase. I love it. I think I picked mine up at like Ross or TJ Maxx, or I picked it up at Marshall's. So keep an eye out for something like that. Curlsmith is bomb. We have here the last of my deep sleep bath soaks from This Works. You can probably hear that it's still pretty full. I didn't use both of them and they're very expensive. I think they're like $75 each. And they went bad because there's oil in it, so it went rancid. I just don't take a bath that often, so yeah, too bad. But if you take baths frequently and you like the smell of lavender, then you might want to consider taking a look at This Works. The stuff smells really good, and it's perfect for when you're trying to have like a day where you're feeling luxurious or extra special. I have here one of my favorite sunscreens in the world, so I won't spend too much time on it. It's from Misha, and it's the Essence Sun SPF 45 PA++++. This is one of my favorite sunscreens. I have purchased this 10,000 times already. I've bought this and I've given it away to friends and family. It's just a really great sunscreen. It goes on beautifully. It doesn't bother my skin. It works well under makeup, and I don't break out or anything like that. And I really, really love it. There's no cast. It's just a great sunscreen. It's fantastic. Here we have another product I am so in love with. It's the Toradin Dive-In Serum Low Molecular Hyaluronic Acid. It's the one where when you initially get it, it looks like it's blue. This serum, this is a repurchase, and then it's just going to be a staple. That's it. It's going to be a staple. As many serums as I've tried, as many ampules, things like that, this one definitely is in my top 5. It's really easy to just soak into the skin. It works well with all of my other skincare products, which is a big deal to me because sometimes you get products that just don't play well with others. This is not one of those. This plays well with everybody. And I just feel like it feels really good on my skin. I like the way that it looks after I've been using it for a while. So yes, this is a yes. We have here a brand I was not familiar with until recently. It's Orencia Royal Rosehip Cleanser. And it's a cleanser that is kind of like a souffle. So you have a little scoop that you scoop it out with. Girl, yes. I'm about to buy this again. And the thing is, I have 2 others as well that are in 2 different types. One's like a green that I just opened, and I love that one too. There's something about these. It's moisturizing and deep cleansing. Fresh cleanser made with natural ingredients. Formula for smooth and glossy skin. My skin feels so good after I use this stuff when I'm washing it. I don't feel dried out. I don't feel like the oil is stripped from my face. I feel like it's just the right amount of cleanse. And I really like that kind of souffle feel, that sort of clayish souffle feel, that texture of the cleanser. And yes, I really, really like this. So Orencia, new brand to me, you guys. But this will be a repurchase for sure. I have here the Kiehl's Creme de Corps Soy Milk and Honey Whipped Body Butter. And yes, I used this stuff so fast. I don't even think it took me a month to go through this little jar right here. So I liked it, but I wouldn't purchase it again only because the scent to me it's just very tropical. Like it goes really well with anything pineapple. So it's pretty much what I wore it with, was the stuff from Victoria's Secret, the Pineapple Cove. It's got a great consistency. It's got a really light, airy, whipped, moussey consistency. That's not the problem. I just don't I don't know, there's something about the way that this is fragrance that's just doesn't quite fit with the rest of my fragrance wardrobe. It really is very, very particular, very specific, and you can't really mix and match it with too many things. So I like the way it made my skin feel. I think it's a really fantastic product if you're looking for something like this, and I do recommend it. I'm just not going to repurchase it for me. I have here the Halaka Halaka Gold Kiwi Vita C Brightening Toner Pads. And they were brightening toner pads. I don't really feel like I saw any kind of a difference. I just went through them. I think it took me about a month because I think there's like 30 pads or, oh no, there's 80 pads in here. But I think it took me about a month because typically with pads, I use them twice a day when I wash my face in the morning and I wash my face in the evening. So I fly through stuff like this pretty quickly. I just didn't see like that much of a difference. It wasn't great, it wasn't bad, it was just meh. So I'm not going to repurchase. This, however, I will repurchase. This is the Medicube Zero Pore Pad 2.0. And yes, I really like the way that this felt on my skin. There's something about first of all, these pads, they have like a ton of juice in there, like a ton. You could use like more of it with other pads if you have them. And then also, I just like the way that it made my skin feel. That's it. It's really that simple. I felt like it was moisturizing, but not overly so. It's a product that played really well with my other products. I just liked it. So yeah, this will be a repurchase for sure. We have here my most recent obsession. These are from the brand Rodial. And they are lip oils, and I love these so much. I'm going to buy another one. This is the collagen one. I think it's supposed to be like plumping or something along those lines. I didn't have that experience, but I'm telling you, this is my favorite lip oil. I have another one in my pocketbook right now that's like a color one. This one is supposed to just be like collagen infused. Love this stuff. Love it. Rodial. Y'all better get with the program. Best lip oil I've tried. Best. Hands down. Best. This is a cleanser that I got from TJ Maxx. It's the Soothing Gentle Foaming Cleanser Cherry Blossom Extract, and it's from the brand Unicat. Never heard of this brand before, but I picked it up. Honestly, I picked it up because of the packaging. Because the packaging is so cute. It's like a little kitty. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. I'm a sucker for packaging, you guys. It was a great cleanser. It worked well. It's a little bit drying, so if you have dry skin, I'd probably skip this. But anybody else with normal to oily skin to like just kind of mixed, then it's fine. It's a good cleanser. I used it quickly. It's done. We have the Vanity Collagen Beauty Peptide. So this is a micronized powder that you take every day, and you just get your little scoop. I put mine in my coffee, or I'll put mine in my pre-workout, and I really like this stuff a lot. I like it because the bag is small. I believe it comes with 90 servings or something like that, or 100. Yeah, it comes with like 100 servings, and yeah, this is a yes for me. I have another bag in my kitchen right now that I'm working my way through. A little bit expensive, yes. Totally worth it to me, yes, because it has so many servings, and like I said, it's micronized. The scoop is pretty small. You don't really need a lot to get all the bang for your buck. It's good for skin, hair, and nails, and this is a yes for me, absolutely. Totally a repurchase. Lastly, we have my empty bottle of Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa 59 Perfume Mist. You guys have seen this before, so I'm not going to spend much time on it. It smells amazing to the point where, excuse me, to the point where I bought the big one. So I'm working my way through the big one, which is already halfway done. So you can already tell I really, really love this fragrance. It mixes well with everything because of such a strong vanilla note. So I can pretty much wear this with any other perfume, any other body lotion that I'm going to wear. Love it. All right. That's it. That's all the empties, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you soon, hopefully. Take care.